In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very own spirit rack. First things first, take your rack out of the packaging and lay it flat on the floor. Next, open up the drawer to see all the parts. Take one of the legs out of the drawer, unfold it, and slide the locking piece into place. Next, insert the bottom of the leg into the base of the rack and slide it back until it lines up with the back of the rack. Do the same thing with the other leg. Now, grab two supporters and push them into the side of the leg. Now push them down into the base of the rack. Do the same with the other supporter. Then, take the middle supporter and insert it between the two legs. Then push it down until it locks into place. Take the notched top parts and slide them into the legs of the rack. Grab your spacers and slide them into the notches on the top part. Grab your hooks and insert them into the upper leg. Repeat on the other side. Grab the rope and tie it to the hook, then tie it to the spacer. Grab the long cork strips, peel off the adhesive, and place them on either side of the spacer for more padding for your boards. Then grab the shorter cork strips and place them on the inside back of the rack. Now, take the large cork pad, peel off the adhesive, and place it on the base of the rack. Then, take the spacer for the drawer and slide it into the notches in the drawer. Now that the drawer is set up, you can go ahead and put all your accessories in there. Fins, wax, leashes, whatever it may be. Now it's going to be organized and all in one place. Then go ahead and hang your hat or wetsuit on the hooks. Last but not least, put your precious boards onto the rack and secure them with the rope and hook.